Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And yep, we have another one for you. Now this is free as of doing this video, so hopefully it reaches you and it is still free. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know. Now let's take a look at this watch face. Now the name of it is called Gear Design Revolution. I thought the developer did a beautiful job on the color of this watch face. It is going to be an energy saving watch face as well, so it's going to help on your battery consumption. I like this look. I like the design, and it has an elegant look to it as well. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. Not bad at all. But once the watch face is on, I like the analog look. I like the nice floating second hand that looks like a floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. It actually has a long arm, but it's black. Now you got nice short analog hands, which isn't bad. Still helps to give it an elegant look. But I like the way the index lights up, the hands lights up, really brings out this watch face. And if you look at the dials, they look just as nice to help give it a premium sports look to a degree. Now right here, you're going to get information on your 24 hours, 12 hours. Here you're going to get your battery info. And I love when they put this type of window in a watch face. Really adds to the premiumness of it. You're going to get the day of the week. You're going to get your date and your month, and also your step information and miles walked or ran right down at the bottom. This is definitely a good look, especially if you're going to be hitting the town over the weekend. This is going to look good at night on your wrist. So what do you think, people? Is it a download or leave it right where it's at? Now also the watch face is interactive. So if I tap here, I can go into setting an alarm. If I tap here, I can get my battery info. This is definitely not a bad look at all. Now, it's not geared to a fitness, but by the time you put this on at night, this is definitely a watch face that's gonna have you hitting the town nicely. All right, you all. Hit me in the comment section down below. You know I want to know your thoughts. But ladies, don't go anywhere. I got the perfect watch face, so I think just for you. All right, ladies, this is the watch face. Now, this isn't the actual one that I really wanted to show you. It wouldn't show up right so far as the lighting is concerned, but I will leave the link in the description down below. It's also going to be free. And yes, this one is free as well as of the taping of this video. Now, but let's take a look at it. I think it's a nice watch face for you all to check out. I know you're going to be concerned about battery life if you get the Gear 3. That might be in question, but if you get the Galaxy Watch, you're going to be all good. Battery life is a beast, okay? But it should not burn it down. Even if you wanted to wear this over the weekend, this would still be a nice one to play for about 4 or 5 hours. Not a bad deal. But let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this watch face. Now, the name of it is called A5 Spring. It's a nice spring look. It's going to be pink, and for the most part, you're going to get your date, you are going to get your digital time, and you're also going to get your month. So I thought it wasn't a bad look. It's got animation going on with the flowers that's going around the bezel of the watch. I thought it was possibly a good look, but of course, ladies, you are going to let me know if it was or not. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I will leave the link to the other watch face in the description box down below. That one I thought would be a nice one for you guys to play over the weekend. So ladies, let me know, how am I doing? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have some fun. Spend time with family and friends. And again, as always, be safe. And I'll see you all at the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.